Guys, welcome back to Fir After 50. Welcome back to our basement and our Monday workout. Today we have a heavy dumbbell workout. We got 8 different exercises. I'm going to be using my 30s. Even though it's 8 different exercises, I write these workouts for myself just as much as I write them for you. I can guarantee that I'm going to get through each set without taking a break. So I'm going to do the best that I can. I expect the same from you guys. And we're going to kind of alternate between 30 and 20 repetitions. So even though it's 30 reps, they're still going to be difficult. Even though it's 20 reps, they're still going to be difficult. It's going to be 30, 20, 30, 20. Just follow along with me. Today, there's no clock. To my right, to your left, there's going to be a preview as always, and we're just going to follow through. By the way, we're playing heavy metal music throughout today's workout, so expect to hear that. With Ozzy Osbourne's recent passing, I just figured we'll play some heavy metal as a little tribute. I can't play any Black Sabbath song or any Ozzy songs, but I can play some heavy metal that I download. So expect that music today, expect it to be loud. Grab your heavy dumbbells, guys, and let's get going. We're starting off with 30 deadlifts, single dumbbell deadlifts. And it's a rep and a half. So all the way down, halfway up, and then all the way down again. Ready? Follow along with me. I'm going to do the best that I can to count. We're starting 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Down, halfway up, down, all the way up. That's 1 rep. Down, halfway up, down, and that's 2. Down, halfway. Yes, it's going to take a while. And 3. But that's why we're here, right? Let's go. 4. 5. Some of these exercises are going to be more difficult than others, trust me. 6. 7. Nice and controlled. 8. 9. 1 more, we're a third of the way done. 10. Keep it up. 1. Feel the burn in those legs. 2. 3. 4. Halfway. Keep it up. 6. 7. Starting to tickle. 8. 9. Here's 20. All right, 10 left. Ready? And let's go. 1. 2. 3. 4. Halfway. 5. 5 more. Come on. 1. 2. 3. 4. 1 more. And 5. Now we can put the weight down. Let's relax for a few seconds and we'll get going with exercise number 2, which is going to be renegade rows. I'm going to do one with the 30s. I'm going to try to stick with the 30s for this entire workout. Renegade rows in the 30s. Might be a little heavy. Keep the best form that I can for you. I hope you're doing the same. Go ahead and get down on the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's going to be the tempo. Keep it going. 1 rep. 1 arm is 1 rep. We're not going to do the whole thing. This is 1. 30 should be too heavy for that for me. And as far as like challenging myself, I don't like to be too stupid about it, right? Anyway, you guys know what renegade rows are. Preview's up there right now. Get down on the ground. Try to stay in the best plank position that you can. You can spread your legs out a little bit if you want for balance. They're gonna have to stay together. And let's get going. Ready to go? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Halfway there, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's 20 renegade rows. I want to stand up. As you guys know, I like recovering standing up, even though we're going to be dropping down on the ground, for some chest presses. 30 chest presses. Might be kind of heavy, might not be. We'll see. We're just flying through these one by one. Like I said, some of these are going to be more difficult than others. That's okay. Challenge our body in different ways, right? All right, chest presses. You guys ready to go? Let's get down on the ground. And we're going for 30. Good ones. Full extension all the way up. And then your hands all the way down to the ground. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1. Up, down. Up, control the weight. 2. Up, 3. Push it. 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep it up. 8, 9, 10. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Halfway there. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 4. That's 20. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. Push it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. 5. Ease it down slowly. Put the weights down. All right. We got three exercises without Paul getting injured yet. Let's keep it up. Move this out of the way. For the next one, we're going to need a single dumbbell. Going to do a little bit of standing core, halos. Don't hit yourself in the head with the dumbbell, obviously. And that's about all there is to it. We're just going to go for 20 halos. Let's go in 21 direction. Let's alternate. Let's do one and then one in the other direction. All right, let's do that. Like I said, some of these workouts I've just done right here as we go. So if I don't hit anything, might have to stand a little closer to the camera. There we go. You guys ready to go? So we're going for 20. Ready? Let's go. 1 to the center and then back. 2, 3. Don't hit yourself in the head like I just did. 4, 5. Bigger halo. 6, 7, 8. Keep it up. 9, 10. Halfway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 more. Let's go. Last one. And down. And down on the weights. Whew. All right. It was a lot more difficult with a heavier weight. I always thought, hey, look, those are pretty easy. We'll grab a set of 30 pounders and see how well that goes, right? All right, one more exercise. Not one more exercise. Exercise number 5. So we're halfway done with the workout. 5's coming up. It's a curtsy lunge. Now my hamstring's still really bothering me. I'm gonna do the best that I can. So I say, do as I say, not as I do. So if you see this half-ass effort going, especially in one side, do better than me, all right? Grab your weight. We're going for 30. Now that might be wishful thinking, but we're gonna try anyway, because that's what we do. Ready? 30 curtsy lunges. 3, 2, 1. Backwards. Lunge on a diagonal. Mine aren't very pretty. That's 2 supposedly. I'll get better at this as we go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Halfway there, guys. Keep it up. Keep pushing it. 7, 8, 9, and that's 20. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I told you I'll get better as I go along. 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. And 10. Whew. Boy, that felt good. Nice to kind of get that thing moving, get some blood flow in there. Feels a little bit better. Almost fell over on the first 2. Last 2, pretty golden. All right, we got 20 push-ups coming up. You can do deficit push-ups, regular push-ups, knee push-ups, whatever kind of push-ups you want to do, whatever you're comfortable with. Switch halfway through, I don't care, as long as you give me 20 push-ups. All right, maybe I'll try deficit push-ups, see how well those go. I've been killing myself. Why not just continue, right? This microphone is unsticking away from my chest, but that's okay. 20 deficit push-ups, nice, good tempo. I'm gonna be on my dumbbells so I can go a little bit lower. You guys ready to go? In 3, come on, 2, 1, nice plank, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Halfway there, it's getting difficult. 10 more, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. My workout's your workout. I'm struggling. 5 more. 1, 2, 3. 2 more. 4 and 5. Woo. Microphone sticking away from my chest. If you guys ever wonder how this microphone sticks right here in the middle of this t-shirt, I have a piece of medical tape underneath my shirt and a magnet. The medical tape starts getting loose sometimes. Microphone starts getting loose sometimes. That's how that works. Yes, it's movie magic. Microphone sticking in the middle of my chest. Anyway, 20 push-ups done. We have 2 more exercises. Once again, it's our Monday workout. I think this is workout 615 on the channel. Welcome. We'll go for 30 candlesticks. So get down on the ground. Grab that weight. Put it behind you as support, something to hold on to. Previews once again up on the screen as I get ready. And we're going for 30 of these suckers. Let me just get this back here. Like I said, my workout's your workout. My mess up is unfortunately you have to put up with. All right, we're going for 30. 3, 2, 1, legs out and up. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sure, grab something heavier than a 30 to hold on to. 8, 9. Third of a way there. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, halfway, keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 more. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, left 1, and roll out of it. Woo! Nice. That felt good. Microphone totally fell off. It's okay, we have one more exercise left. As long as it's stuck here, it's not falling to the ground, we're good. All right, 7 exercises down, 1 to go, guys. Give yourselves a hand. We are almost done. We're going to an RDL and a row. You guys know what those are. Now I'm just gonna combine them, nice and easy. You need your 2 dumbbells. If you're using 1 dumbbell, you just keep that thing in the center and just use 1 dumbbell. I'm gonna use 2, see how it goes, and then we'll be done. Alrighty. All right, ready? 3, going for 20 repetitions of RDLs and rows. 3, 2, 1, roll down, give me a roll, down, and come back up. That's all there is to it. Down as far as you can go, butts back, 2, and up. It's an RDL, so as soon as your butt stops going back, you give me a roll. And 3, knees are bent just a little bit. 4, and up. Down, 5, looking good, feeling great. Let's go. 6, up. 7, up. 8, nice. And let's go, 2 more for being halfway there. 1, up. Notice we're almost done. I am not rushing, keep your tempo the same. 2, halfway there. Hamstring, loving the work. Getting the blood flow. Recovery. 2, 3, keep it up. Down, 4, up. Keep those weights close to your body. 5, and up. 5 more, guys, and we're done. 1, boom. 2, come on. Boom, nice and easy. Same tempo, 3, and up. Down, 4, and up. Last one, last dip, last row, last up, and we are done. Now you can slowly pull the weights down. Don't drop them on your foot. Guys, it's been my pleasure working out with you this morning. This is our Monday workout. This is Fit After 50. My name is Paul. I'm tired. Workouts do come out every Monday and every Thursday. If you enjoyed this workout, subscribe, hit that button for notifications, and I'll see you guys then. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.